So, how old are you? Are you a girl or a boy?
Woohoo! Yeah!
Hey, look at Dad.
Huh?
You're just jealous of my moves.
Next question. Where do you live?
What are you up to?
We're entering a quiz about her favourite TV show, The Gibson Bunch. We've been streaming it for weeks.
The winner gets a signed photo of the cast.
Why did they need to know where you live or your birthday? Most of these questions aren't even about Annie Gibsons. They're about you. And who knows what they want this info for? My cookies.
Cookies. I'll help.
Maybe Dad is right. Mo, go, Gizmo! Hi, Mayor Garth. What's going on?
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo. This is the Quizmo Cup hat. It's the prize for our annual quiz today. The winner gets to wear it for a week.
Huh? Did you say Quizmo Cup hat?
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Oh, I love it too. I'm the quizmaster every year, so I never get to wear it.
Why would anyone wear a trophy as a hat?
I'm not sure. That's just the way it's always been. And now I need to go to the town hall's kitchen and fill it with poochberries.
Why would anyone fill a trophy hat with poochberries?
Let me guess. That's just the way it's always been?
Exactly. Now, why don't you two help me? When we're done, I'll lock the cup hat in the town hall fridge until quiz time. Nice and safe.
We never get to wear that trophy hat either.
Yeah, that's because we can't enter the Quizmo Cup at all. We were banned for cheating.
So, that means we can never ever enjoy poochberries served in a shiny trophy hat? Skatha, you know what to do.
Launching Operation... Stilo-Hatto!
Wow! Oh my Gizmo! The Quizmo Cup hat! Right here in the plaza! I just have to take a selfie. Everybody say troll 'em! Great, thanks! See ya!
I didn't think trolls were such fans of quizzes. So, do we need to test the poochberries? See if they're ripe?
Well, it would be a shame not to. The hat will be safe down here, locked in the fridge. And no one would ever guess the passcode. It's my mother's shoe size.
Mayor Garth, you should always keep the password a secret and never say it out loud.
Well, there's just us here, but you do make a good point. I'll be more careful. Doopy-doo, doopy-doo-doo, doopy-doo.
Aw, he almost said his passcode number. Now we need to figure out Mayor Garth's mother's shoe size. Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo.
Hi, Uli Bean. Mayor Garth, we're going to see how Uli Bean is getting on with setting up.
And I'm gonna get the quiz questions ready. Oh, I really hope someday I can be the one answering the questions instead of asking them.
Aw.
I would offer to conduct the quiz for you, Mayor Garth, but my quiz functions were disabled because of a glitch where I couldn't stop asking questions.
Yeah, that was a really long week.
Bye! Time for Plan B. Operation Find Mama's Shoe Size.